Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by identifying what you have and what you want. Check your MacBook Air model year and port types so you can pick a compatible external touchscreen, overlay, or case. Once done, confirm Mac OS version because drivers matter. Touchscreen overlays often need driver support, while many external monitors use standard HID. Make sure you know power and cable needs. Some monitors require separate power or USB hubs. This first step prevents buying incompatible hardware and speeds the setup that follows. You now connect the chosen device. Plug the external touch monitor or overlay using the correct adapter. Use USB-C directly when possible to carry touch signals. After connecting, install vendor drivers and grant permissions in System Preferences. Input devices need accessibility and screen recording in some drivers. Once drivers are active, run the calibration tool to map touch to your display precisely. Calibration resolves offset and multi-touch behavior. If using an overlay, secure it physically, then repeat calibration until touch aligns. You finish by testing touch across apps and gestures. Make sure pinch, swipe, and taps behave as expected. Adjust display scaling and resolution so touch targets are usable, and set input options and accessibility if needed. If things fail, start simple. Swap cables, try another USB port, or reinstall drivers. As a deeper fix, reset SMC or NVRAM because input and display issues sometimes stem from low-level settings. If persistent, contact vendor support with model and Mac OS details for firmware updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.